Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my toddler's favorite food, that is aloo chapati, which is very soft and yummy. Now, I have struggled a lot to find that one recipe that my baby would eat willingly and without much fuss. So this video is dedicated to all mothers like me. So let's get started. First, I'm taking a medium-sized potato and I'm going to peel it. I'll cut it into chunks like this. Now I have boiled the potatoes in pressure cooker for 2 whistles. I'm going to mash the potatoes. You can grate the potatoes as well. Make sure that you mash it really well. To this I am going to add turmeric powder, chili powder depending upon your toddler's taste, half teaspoon of salt, finely chopped coriander leaves. Now I'll mix all these together. If you find the mixture very dry, you can add 2 tablespoons of water and mix all this together. At this point, I usually taste the mixture and add salt if required, and keep the mixture a bit salty so that next when we add the wheat flour, the final dough will just taste perfect. Now I'll start adding wheat flour in small quantities and mix it really well. I'll knead the mixture until I get a really soft dough. Now make sure that you don't add a lot of wheat flour and make the dough really stiff. The more stiff your dough is, the harder will be the chapatis. So you can add wheat flour until your dough is not sticky. Our soft dough is ready. Now I'll take a small portion of the dough, sprinkle some wheat flour on it and start rolling to make chapatis, just like how we make the normal chapatis. Now on the hot tawa, I'll place the chapati. Let it cook until I get small bubbles on it. Now I'll flip the chapati and add some ghee on it. You can add any cooking oil that you normally use for chapatis. I'll flip it again and add ghee on the other side as well. Once both sides are cooked well, I'll transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I've cooked all the chapatis. These chapatis are so soft, you guys. This recipe is my family favorite too. So do try this recipe and share your experiences in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.